flywheel. But it's been 2 months just sitting there. Of course, it's gonna stick. But you know, I'm finally here. I'm dropping off some transmission fluid. Hopefully, it's the last thing it needs, just the fluid, and we can take it out of here, man. Cause man, 2 months there, hell no. So let's go. Let's see what happens. Alright, guys, I'm here at the shop, man. That's what it needed, just the oil. We can go test drive it in a little bit once they're finished. I also need to change the intercooler, but right now, man, there's no money for that, so I'll tell you in a little bit after what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna be working. I might even quit, I don't know. So I'll let you stay tuned though. We're gonna test drive it in a little bit. They also have a new helper. Look, they have a new mechanic right here. There's a new mechanic. So I'm here at the shop still, man. It's been like an hour just waiting, man. I need to put the oil in the trans so I can go test drive it, man. Just come on. My truck should be priority. It's been here 2 fucking months, and they're working on other trucks that are still gonna be here for another month. Come on, come work in my truck. All it needs is the oil. Put the intake back on and so we can go drive. Damn. Should be slow. These are all the old parts. They had like those. This is the old head gasket, the old how are those called? I think it's gaskets too. Gaskets, head gasket. There's the old intercooler right there. I'm gonna take that with me so I can scrap it. I have a bunch of metal so I can get like money back. I don't know how much it pays, but hopefully I have like a 400-pound head in the truck still, so I'm gonna use that as scrap. Yeah, hopefully soon. I just cleaned the bumper. It was all full of oil. Also the visor, it was all oily. The windshield, I still need to clean the bug deflector right here. Look, it's all shiny, brand new. That bumper is still brand new. It was only 1 day old when I hasn't worked it. So yeah, it should be done soon, and hopefully soon. I need like 10 more minutes. So I can be here another 2 hours. Yeah. Remember this truck from last video? So what happened is basically what happened to my engine. It's gonna get a new head, new camshaft, all that stuff. And there's a second Yam truck that came in too, man. Dang. I don't know what's wrong with this. It's I think MP8 Mac engine. This is a Volvo truck. This is a Kenworth with a C12. They're both from the same company. This one has a caged brake chamber, so that's no good thing it's level here, because if it rolls, someone's gonna get crushed. Hey, look at these trucks' rim. I've never seen these type of rims. Like, you see that design? I've never seen it before. And what this truck has is a turbo problem. The guy just bought a brand new turbo 4500. One of those, I think it's a VGT turbo, one of those electronic, I don't know what, fucking expensive. And he also got watermelon lights. He saw my truck, he's like, yeah, I'm gonna get some for mine. He just put them on, look. He put some watermelons on. It's also a Volvo with, I think MP8. No, it's a Volvo. Alright guys, this is fucking ridiculous, man. I'm leaving or not because I'm hungry, man. I haven't ate all day. It's almost 3:30. Been here almost almost 4 hours now. Since 11 something. They changed the coolant, or they put coolant in, they drained the water out, and they put coolant. All it needs is to put the clamps on the intakes and move the trucks out of the way so I can take it out of here. My God, why is it taking so fucking long? Come on. They work on one truck, they move to the other like after like 5 minutes, and they move to the other one. Oh my God. get something to eat first. I was on Chick-fil-A. I haven't looked at it in a while. And I heard they changed the fries, so it tastes a little different. So let's try it. Alright guys, it's time to test drive it. Here we go. Finally. And it smells so dang good. I don't know why. I think it's because of the head. Stage 2 head. It smells so good. Look. Dang, look how good it looks tonight, man. I got some LED strips right in the middle of the bumper, but in the back, they're just gonna glow red towards the back. It's gonna look so sick. So I just took it out for a test drive. I didn't record that much, but it started sounding weird. It was like kind of like a grinding noise coming from the transmission. I know it's not the transmission. It might be like the clutch or flywheel. Tomorrow I'm gonna test drive it with the mechanic so you can see for himself what it sounds like. Cause I tried taking video, you can't hear it in the video. Or kind of, but I'll show you a clip right here what it sounded like. But I couldn't barely hear it. You need to hear it in person so you can hear it now. Like, it's not the engine, or it might be the engine, I don't know, but hey, I don't know guys, I'm not a mechanic. So tomorrow morning we're gonna test drive it. So right now it's late, man, almost fucking 8. Been here the whole day, man. What's the time? But hey, I'll see y'all in the next video tomorrow. Or I'll see y'all tomorrow. So yeah, goodbye. Yo, what's up everybody? So we're here at the shop. We're about to go test drive it. I'm gonna show the mechanic what it sounds like. I couldn't explain it to him, man. And I took a video and you can barely hear it. So right now I'm gonna just do a quick picture. You never know. Even though it's like brand new, I'm gonna just check everything, you know. Gotta make sure. And I'm also turn on the heater, man. I have to turn the valve on. Oh my god, it's so cold right now. And I'm gonna give you a little cold start right here in a little bit. It's like what? 18 degrees now. It's cold. It's gonna be even colder tomorrow, 17. It's only 1, but yeah. And then might snow later on today at 4 p.m. Let me just check the oil real quick. It's good. Check the coolant real quick. Check these. I always check these bolts because one time one of them came loose. Almost died that day because I had no string. Man, I didn't almost die. I was lucky because I was only going like 5 miles an hour. Checking everything. Tire is good. Alright, time for a cold start.